Today, we're going to crack a secret code that's hidden inside every single number you've ever seen. It's a simple but really powerful story about two types of numbers, and it all starts with a tale of odd and even. Okay, let's dive right in.
So, our story begins with two very different characters. First up, you've got Even Steven. He likes everything to be in perfect twos. And then there's Odd Todd. And as you can probably guess, he likes things a little differently. You know, the ones, threes, and fives. These two personalities, they're the key to understanding everything. All right, so let's break this down. Even Steven, he's all about any number that ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Why? Because everything can be paired up perfectly. But Odd Todd, he's drawn to the numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, the ones where there's always one left over.
Okay, so that's a nice little story, right? But is there an actual rule here? I mean, how can we test any number and know for sure if it belongs to Even Steven or Odd Todd? Well, let's find out.
You're in luck because the answer is surprisingly simple and honestly kind of fun. We're going to call it the Great Partner Test. And trust me, this is the key to unlocking the whole mystery. So here's the deal with the test for even numbers. If you can group every single thing into pairs of 2 and nobody's left out, then it's even. Simple as that. Everyone gets a partner. It's perfectly balanced, just the way Even Steven likes it.
All right, let's try it out with the number 2. Just picture two friends. Can they pair up? Yep, perfectly. There's no one left out. That makes the number 2 a classic even number. So what about a bigger number like 10? If we use our partner test, we can make 5 perfect pairs with absolutely nothing left over. So, is 10 an even Steven number? You bet it is.
But what happens when the partner test doesn't work out so perfectly? Well, that's when we step into Odd Todd's world.
And the rule for odd numbers is just as straightforward. When you try to make pairs, there's always one left over, the odd one out. And that right there, that's the signature of an odd number.
Let's test the number 3. Imagine 3 friends, right? 2 of them can buddy up, but that leaves one person standing, all alone. They're the odd one out, which makes 3 a perfect odd number.
And what about a slightly trickier one, like 11? Does the rule still hold up? Oh, you bet. You can make 5 neat pairs, but you'll always have that one lonely counter left over. That makes 11 a classic Odd Todd number for sure. Now, the partner test is great and all, but what if you have a massive number, like 5,477? You're not going to sit there and count out thousands of objects. Luckily, there's a shortcut, a secret number code that makes it all incredibly easy.
And here it is. This is the secret. To know if any number is odd or even, no matter how huge it is, you only have to look at one thing, its very last digit. That single number tells you everything you need to know.
And this is where it all clicks into place. Look at this. If the last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, bam, the number is even. If it ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it's odd. Now hold on a second. Aren't those the exact same numbers Even Steven and Odd Todd loved from the very beginning? See, it all connects.
Okay, so now you have the secret code. It's like you've got this new superpower for looking at the world. So let's have some fun with it and put it to the test with numbers from your own life.
Think about it for a sec. What's your age? Just look at that last digit. Is it even or odd? How many people are in your family? What about your house number? Hey, even the number of fingers on one hand, that's 5, which is totally an Odd Todd number. See, the pattern is literally everywhere once you know what to look for.
So I've got one last question for you. Think about your favorite number. Go on, what is it? Now that you know the secret, is it an Even Steven, all about balance and pairs? Or is it an Odd Todd, defined by that one that stands out? It's pretty cool, right? This simple little division is one of the first secret codes in mathematics, and it's the foundation for these incredible patterns that run through the whole universe of numbers. And now, you know exactly how to spot them.